Welcome, I'm Zach Fontecchio, the Chief Basement Technician and Design Specialist for our Total Basement Finishing System by Energy Swing Windows. Total Basement Finishing is a uniquely better solution for how we finish basements. We provide revolutionary materials and design solutions that are specifically geared to the basement environment. All the materials we install are inorganic, meaning they won't support mold or mildew, so you never get that musty odor from them that you often smell when you walk into someone's basement. We believe in the product so much that we won't even finish a basement the old-fashioned way. This is why we back it with a triple lifetime warranty, covering the materials, the installation, and zero-cost service if ever needed. This is a collaborative effort with you. Our process starts when I visit your home and do a full assessment of your basement. I evaluate the structural integrity of the basement while checking for moisture, humidity, and mold problems. We will then go through a series of questions so I can get a better understanding of your needs and what your dreams are for using the space. I will then take measurements so I can lay out a plan that fits your personal preferences. Finally, we will schedule a time for you to review the fully customized designs that I will be generating. Based upon our initial fact-finding meeting, I will spend time computer generating a few design options that meet the needs and wants we discussed aimed at turning your dream into a reality. Not only will I do custom floor plans of your basement design, I will be able to project it in a three-dimensional drawing that can be viewed from various perspectives, highlighting the features you requested. I can also add furniture so you have a better feel for how all these things work together to fit your needs. Your scheduled visit to our design center is by far the most important part of the process for you. Here you will be able to sit inside our full-size finished basement that we've created. You will also be able to touch and feel all the major components that we use to provide you with our exclusive triple lifetime warranty and peace of mind guarantee. Here you will be able to inspect and select a variety of options to make your basement distinctly yours. This is also the time we will get together to review your custom design proposal that I've generated for you. You'll be able to look inside your finished basement and determine if it is in alignment with your expectations. If after viewing the custom plan you see something that you would like to do differently, we can make adjustments and modify the design to fit your desires. Once everything is just the way you want it, we can generate an exact price, not an estimate, for us to create your dream for your home. At this point, we can discuss easy monthly payment options. If everything is in alignment, we will finalize everything in a proposal for your review and agreement. Once the agreement is finalized, our project manager will arrange with you a follow-up inspection of your basement to verify there are no unforeseen issues. He will verify all important issues and take detailed final dimensions so we can order all the materials needed to do your job the way it was designed. A number of other critical things like the lighting plan and locations of plugs and switches will also be clarified. A few weeks later, our project manager will return with a detailed set of construction drawings for you to review and sign off on. The project manager you work with will be your primary point of contact during construction from beginning to completion. At this time, he will be able to provide you with an estimated start date and construction time. While the wall, floor, and ceiling systems are unique with materials specifically designed for a basement environment, the other critical ingredients is our factory-trained craftsmen who do the work. They are our employees. We never trust your home to a random subcontractor. Because all the details are nailed down and materials are ordered in advance, the actual construction process moves along reasonably quickly. Obviously, how long your project will take is a function of how big the project is and if it includes other customized details like a bathroom or kitchenette. During the entire process, our project manager will be in contact with you to answer questions and discuss any in-process changes that you may want to make as things progress. At the end of construction, all debris is taken away and your new basement is cleaned and ready for you to move your furniture in. Here are just a few examples of two basements we've transformed recently. We've installed our exclusive walls, floors, and ceiling systems in basements of all sizes, as small as 200 square feet up to 2,000 square feet with multi-use areas. It is all up to you and what your dreams are for capturing that empty, unused space in your home. This is a short summary of what we do, how we do it, and why we do it. The way we do things has allowed us to be a 4-time recipient of the Better Business Bureau Torch Award for Business Ethics. We would like to work hand in hand with you to make your dream a reality and to add you to our long list of more than 500 5-star reviews. Thank you for this opportunity. We hope we can earn your business.